morning, it's day 2. We paddled 38 miles yesterday, and we made it to this sweet camp. So we slept good, we ate good. It's still raining out, and that's why we wanted to make it to the camp.
Crappy weather.
Yesterday morning was beautiful, nice and sunny. I think I got a little bit of a sunburn. But then in the afternoon, it just started raining and just kept raining the rest of the day, so we kept on paddling, made it to the camp. It was a pretty sweet place. So, it's about 7 in the morning now. We're gonna have some coffee, some breakfast, bacon, home fries, some good stuff, and then we're gonna try to make it to the next camp. There's actually another cabin about 24 miles from here.
Ledge Rapids.
Ledge Rapids is the name of the camp spot, so.
This is Claus Bogan. Bogan, buddy!
We're going to try to make it 24 more miles today, rain or shine, to the next camp. We didn't see any more wildlife or anything. I mean, it was pretty sweet though. 5th St. John Stream or whatever it is, or 2 here, went through Baker Lake, chewed that up, spit it right out. Easy. Yeah, we'll see if we can do 24 miles today, and talk to you tomorrow morning. Yeah, that does say Champ. That's where we stayed. And here's Scotty. Not too bright. Gonna try to slide down.
Loaded boat, baby!
See what happens.
Alright, you ready?
I'm ready.
Check out this maneuver.
Whoa, that looked scary for a second.
Hey everybody, I'm back. We made it to the next camp called I think Ledge Rapids. The river is swollen. It's been raining non-stop. We got on the river around 11:30, late start because we were at that cabin. We went and we had breakfast. We made breakfast, good breakfast, bacon, venison, pancakes, and got in our boats. It was raining when we got in our boats. We paddled 24 miles. We got here at approximately 4 o'clock. So, and guess what? Yes, we're staying in another cabin. I guess we planned it just right. Due to inclement weather, on the brochure, there were 2 camp spots, about 30 miles apart. Both of them had a cabin. That's how we were able to acquire yesterday's and today's. Yep, yeah. So, yep, we've got another 24 miles under our belt so far. Tomorrow we continue on. We're praying for good weather, because, geez, the water's ripping right now, and going down there is probably going to be pretty sketchy. We went through a good couple of sets of class 3s. The river was swollen, the waves were orange and yellow. 2.5-foot white caps. It was amazing. It was crazy. Loaded boats. But yeah, we have no fear. That's how we roll. Oh, we saw a bunny rabbit. It was right over there. This might have been a snowshoe hare. Took off that way. So, yeah, I'm gonna drink some beers.
It's cold.
It is cold. Oh yeah, it is very cold.
Don't worry about our beers being cold, but stay tuned. I still got beer left. I'm in the stuff sack. So.
Always a plus. And we got our reserves anyway. Cram my kayak right there. Yep. So I don't know. Tune in to next time. Probably tomorrow morning. All right. Have a good one. Then we end up having a rush at the end of the trip.
Well, that's what I'm saying. We didn't have to do that. We just battled through it.
You tape it?
No.
Yeah.
I'm taping the peepers.
Peeping.
Or whatever these Maine frogs are called. Let's just listen.
Oh, yeah. Went from total silence, and now it's back to the chorus. I only scared him for like 2 minutes. It's too bad we're not at like a nice trout stream right now. We could just be on the shore right next to the cabin fishing. That cabin upstream had a nice little brook.
We passed a lot of nice brooks that I wanted to fish. Those, you know, they were coming into the river. But it's too shitty today. Didn't want to stop at all.
Yep. No stopping, just going. We only took one break, right? We only took that break under the bridge.
23 miles with one break today. Raining, wind against our faces. Fucking rapids.
Class 2s,
Lots of
heavy
class
class 2s, hand-colored churning water, fucking boiling, 2.5-foot swells. Out in the great wilderness. Les Stroud would be proud of us.
Yeah.
When I get home, I'm going to write to his fan club.
We're surviving. So far so good. We're surviving. I almost dropped the camera. Funny scenery right there. Yeah, but you could hear the peepers the whole time. So it's still peaceful. Even though your eyeballs are getting crazy, it's still peaceful. Sit listening. Just don't look at the screen.
What screen? I don't see no screen, mate. All I see is wildlife. You still recording?
Yeah, I got an hour and 15 minutes left of record time.
Wow. That's good. Don't drain the battery.
Alright. Day 2. Till next time. Probably tomorrow.
Peace out.
Until day 3.
Chickadee China, the Chinese chicken. You have
Hopefully
a
we're still
drumstick and
here.
your brain stops sticking.
Scott knows the words to the whole song. He just doesn't want to sing them. See ya.
Chickadee China, you want Chickadee China now?